Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICNB. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Been a while since the last update I did on this one, but had some good solid volume today. Had some questions on it, and pretty straightforward chart from a charting perspective. That is, from a technical perspective. I don't know what's going on with the company, so maybe that's more complicated. I don't really care, to be honest. I just care about price action and volume, aka the chart. So why do I say that's pretty simplistic? Well, it's really all about this purple line here, which is a famous 50-day simple moving average. And if you have even really just a surface deep understanding of charts, then I'm sure you've heard of the 50-day simple moving average, and when the prices blow it, it tends to act as resistance. And as you can see over the past couple of weeks, well, maybe you can't see, but the price, it was acting as support, but when the price broke below it, this is where a foundational rule in charting kicks in. That states when levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. And with that being broken, you can see right there on the bounce, rejected, and on Friday didn't quite hit it, but every time it gets in the vicinity of this purple line, the price just struggles. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible for the price to break above this level or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling. And case in point, that's why, really going forward from a, bullish perspective, are the bulls gaining any sort of strength? It's all about that purple line. If the price can never get above there, well then, obviously the bulls are not really gaining any sorts of strength. Now, to be fair to them, on the flip side of things, in terms of, how the low is going, well, the bulls are also putting in higher lows as time has gone by the past couple of weeks. So the bulls are working on building some upward stair steps, so that's always a good sign. But at the end of the day, in this situation, it all circles back to, the purple line there. Can the price break above it? Can the price, fight through it? And that's really the key point and key thing to keep an eye on. Yeah, you want to see the price continue to build those higher lows, so don't get me wrong. But, if the price is going to get any sort of excitement again in terms of, upwards price movement, drawing in more eyeballs and getting some organic momentum, it all starts with a breakout. And in this case, the quote-unquote breakout is being defined as that 50-day simple moving average. So good volume in it today, biggest it's had in a while. So we'll see if this is the start of something bigger or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.